Slipping on technical footwork, losing precision on tiny edge holds, feet aching after an hour on the wall. The wrong climbing shoes limit your performance before your fingers or fitness ever do. A quality climbing shoe delivers precise footwork, reliable rubber grip, and a fit that works with your foot shape rather than fighting against it. We've tested the best climbing shoes across beginner, intermediate, and performance categories to find which ones deliver the sensitivity, edging power, and smearing capability that climbers actually need. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find the links in the description below. Number 6. Black Diamond Momentum. Learning to climb should feel exciting, not agonizing. The most common mistake new climbers make is suffering through aggressive downturned shoes before their feet have adapted. And this shoe solves that problem by prioritizing all-day comfort without sacrificing quality. The neutral flat last distributes pressure evenly, allowing long gym sessions without the cramping that performance shoes inflict on beginners. The knit tongue and micro-suede polyester upper create a genuinely cozy feel that molds to your foot over time without stretching out. Dual hook and loop straps enable quick on and off convenience during gym sessions where you're constantly cycling between routes. The forgiving fit accommodates a range of foot shapes. The limitation is honest. Once you're pushing into harder grades requiring pinpoint precision on micro holds, the neutral last will begin to feel limiting. That's not a flaw, it's a feature for beginners developing footwork fundamentals before demanding maximum performance. For new climbers wanting pain-free learning sessions, gym regulars needing a comfortable training shoe, or anyone returning to climbing after a break, this delivers the ideal balance of comfort and capability. Number 5. La Sportiva Finale. Entry-level pricing shouldn't mean entry-level performance, and this shoe proves that convincingly. Consistently outperforming its accessible price point, it handles gym sessions, sport crags, and moderate crack climbing with capability that surprises first-time owners. The precise lacing system dials in fit with genuine accuracy, accommodating different foot volumes rather than relying on a single closure point. That adjustability pays dividends on technical terrain, where secure heel placement and precise toe positioning matter. The narrow profile slides cleanly into moderate crack systems, while just enough stiffness supports confident micro-edging without the rigidity that makes extended wear uncomfortable. 5mm Vibram XS Edge rubber provides thicker coverage than high-end models, meaningful durability for newer climbers whose footwork still includes occasional toe dragging. The unlined soft leather upper will stretch noticeably over time. Sizing down at purchase is genuinely important. For climbers wanting a single versatile pair covering gym training, outdoor sport climbing, and moderate crack routes without premium investment, this delivers genuine all-terrain capability at a compelling price. Number 4. Scarpa Instinct VS. When routes get steep and footholds shrink to millimeters, precision becomes everything. And this shoe delivers it without the brutal break-in period aggressive performers typically demand. The moderately downturned asymmetric shape provides serious performance while remaining surprisingly comfortable. The slightly wider toe box accommodates feet typically crushed by narrow Italian lasts, making high-performance climbing accessible to broader foot shapes. Vibram XS Grip 2 rubber balances edging stiffness with sensitivity, enough rigidity for micro holds, enough feel to read complex textures through the sole. Rubber coverage wraps generously across the front toe box, enabling confident toe hooks and bicycle moves on overhanging terrain. The low-volume heel cup removes excess bulk precisely where it matters, ensuring heel hooks engage cleanly without the shoe rolling. The aggressive shape works against you on low-angle slab. This is purpose-built for steep terrain rather than versatile all-around use. For intermediate to advanced climbers projecting steep sport routes or tackling technical bouldering, this represents one of the finest aggressive climbing shoes available. Number 3. Scarpa Drago LV. Supreme sensitivity meets aggressive performance in a shoe that redefines steep climbing footwear. The most aggressively downturned shoe in this lineup somehow ranks among the most comfortable, a combination that sounds contradictory until you actually wear it. Vibram XS Grip 2 rubber stays supple and pliant, allowing you to toe into steep pockets and smear on gym volumes with tactile precision that stiffer shoes cannot match. Feeling the wall through your sole transforms how you read holds on complex, overhanging terrain. Scarpa's pressure-absorbing fit heel delivers exceptional hook control and sensitivity that outperforms most competing designs. When heel hooks are the crux, this shoe inspires confidence others don't. The low-volume design suits longer, narrower feet. Wide foot owners should consider the standard Drago for identical performance. The soft construction trades edging stiffness for sensitivity. Dead vertical routes with tiny edges demand a stiffer platform. For sport climbers and boulderers with narrow feet wanting maximum sensitivity, supreme heel performance, and aggressive capability on steep gymnastic terrain, this delivers class-leading performance. Number 2. La Sportiva Squama. Versatility at the highest performance level defines this legendary shoe's enduring appeal. Boulders, sport routes, trad lines, multi-pitch adventures. The Squama handles every climbing style with genuine capability, making it the rare performance shoe that rarely leaves your bag. The slipper-like construction paired with moderate downturn creates sensitivity and aggression simultaneously. Feeling holds through your sole while directing power precisely where terrain demands. La Sportiva's S-heel delivers secure heel hooks across rock types. The split sole maintains suppleness for pockets, edges, and smears without sacrificing downturn bite on steep terrain. Single-strap Velcro closure makes on and off effortless. Medium asymmetry creates surprising comfort even during long multi-pitch routes where feet suffer in more aggressive designs. Pure vertical micro-edging on the tiniest holds reveals the soft sole's limitation. A stiffer shoe takes over when absolute precision on microscopic edges is essential. For climbers wanting one exceptional shoe performing across limestone crags, granite slabs, sandstone boulders, and crack systems, this delivers the most versatile performance climbing shoe available. Number 1. La Sportiva Katana. The shoe serious climbers reach for most often earns that distinction through genuine versatility across every style and terrain without meaningful compromise. Steep single-pitch routes, granite slab smearing, crack climbing, bouldering. The Katana handles each transition without demanding a shoe change. The mildly aggressive shape strikes a brilliant compromise between all-day comfort and performance sensitivity. Men's versions sit on the stiffer end of La Sportiva's lineup, delivering platform confidence for long multi-pitch routes and sustained edging. Women's versions feature a split sole for additional precision that lighter climbers appreciate on technical terrain. The relatively wide toe box feels natural in crack systems where narrow asymmetric designs create unnecessary discomfort. Lace closure dials in precise fit adjustments that single-strap Velcro cannot achieve. For serious climbers wanting one exceptional shoe that eliminates the need for a specialized quiver, covering everything from bouldering through multi-pitch at your absolute limit, this is the definitive all-around climbing shoe. So there you have it, 6 exceptional climbing shoes covering every level and climbing style. If this video helped you choose the perfect climbing shoe, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more outdoor gear reviews and climbing guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to sending every project